Alright, we off this. Had to plug my radar back in real quick. You alive? You alive. This shit is in 4 in the morning and we are out of here. I only drive this shit in Sports Plus. Man, in manual mode. Definitely don't let it shift by itself, because when it shift by itself, bro, this shit'll take first gear to red line. Like, that's not what I'm here for, bro. So I don't let this shit shift for itself, because if it shit, what am I saying? If it shit want to shift for itself, we going to the moon. Long story short, if it's up to this car, we doing 100 the whole way home. This shit'll shift the latest it can through every shift. You're not doing that. It's a calm drive. Shift myself, and we out of here. When it's in comfort and eco, the start stop be kind of blowing me sometimes. And in all honesty, I just want to hear my exhaust. Like in comfort and eco, I don't hear my exhaust. That's gay. This shit got me taking a hutch. We off this. Yeah, you see where I work at. I work in the good on. You see that crib? Nah, I got a nice ass drive every day back out of work. And I do the overnight, so I fake we drive. You see what's going on? I got the little fog and all that. The little twilight vibes. Driving through the white neighborhood. And the M340, hello. I fit in, you huh? I'm supposed to be here. Nah, let me stop. I'm retarded. But yeah, I hope you can. I know y'all can't hear this shit. You can barely hear my voice, but it sounds so much better. The mic on these glasses is booty. Also, I want to test, like, if you made it this far, let me know which mic sounds better, the car or not the car. I'm smacked. If the mic sound better, windows up or windows down. My windows is down right now. Once I put the windows up, though, shit gonna get fake dark. So I'm just testing out both elements. You feel me? Oh, that's a 335D. Oh, this nigga's gangster. This nigga's a gangster. Cop is on my ass. They just mad. I'm the truth. All right, safety. Now we're gonna get some windows up vibes. Free the highway before I fucking step on it. Hello. It's too easy. Nah, this ain't that type of video though. It's not about to be a cut-up video. Just wanted to show y'all that real quick. This is a regular drive home with Ty the Fast Guy. Not crashing out, but I ain't gonna lie. This right here, you know I'm taking that. Oh. Well, if I just naturally creep up right here, and then I go back left, squeeze me. Thank you. Later, fam. Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, I said, baby, I'm a dog. Nah, bro, what are you doing, gang? Oh, his shit didn't get cleaned off. He just got caught. Got caught lacking in the big. What the fuck? Niggas is hiking the hutch? Yo, you can't make this shit up. Sorry. I'm out. If you know where we at, you know this is my favorite fucking highway entrance, yo. This is my spot right here, I ain't gonna lie. Do a little fourth gear, take off. Quick 120 through the bend. Oh, well, it's coming down. We took that at 107. Arre, that's why that's my favorite spot, you are.
I'm sending the beat like the beans. This motherfucker pink slip, nigga, no rings. I don't want you gonna do nothing. I gotta be the one tell you to spin. These fuck niggas telling for nothing, and I gotta be the one calling them friend. Drop top Rolls Royce, I don't know the time, I don't know the name. Fuck this little bitch last night and this morning, but
hello. Excuse me. Downshift. Crack my windows because we're getting off. Hello. Yo, I got my E30 map on right now. I'm about to launch this shit. I haven't launched it yet. This figure gonna block the launcher. I'm gonna have to. There's somebody behind me. I'm gonna bust this left. I'm gonna launch my shit right here. See what this shit's shooting for. What y'all thinking? Yo. Damn, I'm gangster. Can somebody tell me what's wrong with my first gear, bro? I'm gonna show y'all. That just got me dumb tight. So now I can't launch, obviously, because what the fuck was that, bro? Did y'all see my first? Y'all gonna see it. Yes, I fucking recorded it. I've been going through that problem for like, since I got the JB4, I ain't gonna front. Look, you're gonna see it right now. Look at first. You see the difference? Soon as I break out of first, this shit, and out of first, I get a shit. It's a cool word for it, but it's a shift pop out of first. Basically, when I shift out of first, pop, and it pops in the second. It's cool as fuck, but I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. We're going to. I'm gonna replicate it one more time. We're starting the video. Oh my god, I'm fucking illiterate. Pro parking right now. Excellent release. Come on. Ha, middleman, a whole body. Straight thuggin' coffee like triple I mean, hello. That's how you do that shit. This is a big ass spot. Bitch, we bimping overnight. Bro say Irk is he a savage. I'm retarded. I'm out of here, y'all. I'm going in the incriminator. That's it. That's it for this episode, you huh? That's driving home with Ty the Fast Guy. 6'7". Yeah, I just bent right on the highway, whatever that nigga said. I'm out of here, yeah. 60. Nah, you really want me to fuck your heads up? And I'm smoking the Clippinator with the camera hand. If y'all don't know, niggas is like, nah, son, what the fuck? How the fuck this nigga recorded that? Bitch, we bipping overnight.